Hello, my friend. How's your week so far? I hope it's great. I hope that it's full of ups rather than down. Welcome to the channel. My name is Glenn, and another session of Real Talk. About to go mountain biking, but the weather is great. So sabi ko, why not do a video right now? So, my friend, ang buhay talaga, it's up and down. A lot of variables, di ba? Maraming bagay na nagpapasaya sa atin at marami ring bagay na nagpapalungkot sa atin. Pero it's up to us, di ba? On how we handle things. Siyempre, kinakailangan natin na i-mix of faith, mix of intentionality. Kinakailangan maging intentional tayo sa ating mga ginagawa. Pero minsan, di ba, ang hirap? To be honest with you, my friend, ang bagsak ng moral ko ngayon, ang baba ng aking energy, because there's so many things that been happening non-stop in my life. And if you're regular to the channel, you would have watched yung ibang mga post na sunod-sunod, including yung death nga ng Lola Baby Alonte ko sa US, and then yung car na damage, yung mga ganung bagay, and then hindi pa tapos yung problem ko sa family. Parang ang hirap gumalaw, to be honest. And then, to top it all off, yung work, it doesn't go the way you wanted it to be. So much challenges, so much things needed to be done to accomplish. Ganun din, a lot of up and down. Naalala ko tuloy yung sabi ni, I think it was Forrest Gump, di ba? That life is like a box of chocolate daw. Di ba? It's so true. You never know what you get. Each day, may panibagong problema. Each day, may panibago ring saya. Each day, may panibagong challenges. And each day, may mga rewards. Di ba? So, wala. Kailangan lang natin talaga, my friend, na tigasan ng ating loob, tatagan, at manalig. Di ba? Maniwala tayo na our God is faithful. He will never leave us nor forsake us. Yun ang sabi niya, di ba? Although sometimes talagang mahirap, no? Pag nakikita mo yung tangibles, nakikita mo yung mga bagay na parang, totoo ba ito? Meron bang changes na mangyayari? Meron bang darating na maganda? Nasaan na yung breakthrough ko, di ba? Napangako. Pero ganoon ang buhay, di ba? We have no control over it. What we have control is our reaction, our intention, our action. So my friend, I encourage you na tuloy pa natin ang laban. Ganon din ang sinasabi ko sa self ko, Just carry on. Keep fighting the good fight of faith. Keep fighting para, maging masaya ka kahit mahirap. Tapos, ang hirap pang makita yung mga bagay na hinahanap mo, no? Minsan, mas maganda, huwag ka na maghanap. Pero ang sabi naman sa Bible, di ba? You expect great and mighty things. So, doon na lang tayo sa expect great and mighty things. Unless, kung hindi man mangyari, masarap mangarap, masarap umasa. Kesa naman yung mag-start tayo ng down, di ba? Lately, I've been saying to myself na no matter what happens, laban lang, Glenn. I wanna see my grandchildren. Yun ang motivation ko, my friend. Makita ko yung mga magiging apo ko. Makabawi ako sa kanila ng aking oras, pagmamahal. Yung mga hindi ko naramdaman, ibibigay ko sa apo ko. So, yun ang nagpapatibay sa akin, nagpapalakas. So, my friend, right time na ako. So, sana na-encourage ka. And I hope to see you again. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share mo yung experience mo. Encourage mo naman din ako. I need it very much. So, God bless. And palagi tayong magdasal, palagi tayong magtiwala sa sarili din natin na malalampasan natin ng lahat ng ito. So, take care my friend. And until next time. Peace. And also, the best is yet to come sa buhay natin. Panalo. Okay. Bye.